Good morning on a beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky. Very close to Puy de Dôme. Fantastic. But we've got something to show you today. Chloe's had a makeover. Not a complete makeover, but what would you say?
She's had a facelift.
A facelift. So we'd like to know what you think about her. So basically, this is the before shot here. Okay. We loved it. By the end of the day, it wasn't stealth enough maybe. And plus it was getting a bit faded with the sun and stuff like that. So we gave her a makeover. So this is the new Chloe. What do you think? Making memories 1 kilometre at a time.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and like and subscribe on YouTube, please. Drop us a comment. Tell us which one you prefer, the new Chloe or the old Chloe.
Leave us a like.